Video Traffic Genie is our brand new software that allows you to legally steal other people's video traffic and generate affiliate commissions in 24 hours or less. Here are some of the powerful features packed into Video Traffic Genie. Market Research Unlimited Keyword and Niche Research. Here you'll be able to search and find an unlimited amount of keywords, niches and videos that you can hijack. Push-button domain checker. We didn't want you to have to leave our app for anything, so we built a domain checker right inside the app. With the push of just one button, you'll instantly know if a domain is available to hijack or not. Video-MarketingFully control the age of the videos you want delivered to you. Here you'll be able to search for videos based on when they were uploaded. Most people purchase domains for only a year, so just imagine how many more videos you can find when you go deeper into older videos, sort by relevance or by views. This will let you get even more targeted on the videos you want VTG to deliver to you. You'll be able to control whether you want videos based on relevance or based on number of views. Add or remove domains to skip from the results. The last thing you want is to have VTG display domains that you've already hijacked or domains that are not yet available. Here you'll be able to add or remove domains from the search results to ensure you're always getting unique videos you can hijack. Unlimited in-app domain purchases. As mentioned before, we didn't want you to have to leave VTG to do anything unless you really want to. We built our in-app domain purchaser to make it easy to quickly snatch up those winning domains. Ability to export data in CSV and text files. We understand that we will have some power users who prefer to sort through their pot of gold locally. This feature is for you. Here you'll be able to download any and all results to your local computer and sort through all the data quickly and easily. Access to private Facebook group. As part of your purchase today, you'll also be getting access to our private Facebook group of fellow genies who are out there crushing it with our software. All of the student testimonials you saw above came from our private Facebook group. We're all there waiting to help you succeed. And much more. We have a ton of other amazing features, plus a lot more to come. Advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Work in any niche. Have detailed video tutorials. User-friendly. No complicated skill requirements. Redirect traffic flow quickly. 100% refund policy. Cons. Need a little bit time to read how to use VTG to in best ways and watch 2 software training videos at the beginning. But as I state in my review, it's not difficult as you think. Video Traffic Genie 2.0 review. Who should buy it? With the benefits you've seen above, Video Traffic Genie 2.0 is a great product for affiliate marketing, e-commerce stores, CPA providers, webinars. As long as you want to make a profit and increase traffic from videos, you cannot miss it. Even if you are a beginner who wants to make money from videos, but you have no experience in creating eye-catching videos, it will help you do everything with tricks in just a few clicks.